Alright guys, what's up? Walkthrough Wednesday. Gonna make this a quick one because we got lots of work to do. This Grand Cherokee, they got a SRT8 hood on this thing, so we turned it into carbon fiber. This is some incredible looking stuff from Steck. It is actually a clear bra. It's black and has carbon fiber texture. Not really texture, obviously you can see the top of it, it's super smooth. But it looks like carbon fiber and it is very authentic looking. So we're loving this. Awesome for hoods, awesome for roofs, adds some style, adds protection, and you just look rad out there on the street. That's what we want. We want you looking rad. We're also doing a back piece on this tailgate or the hatch with that same stuff. So like all clear bra, wet install, 8 mil thick polyurethane, really durable, super cool looking too. This Cayenne is getting a full front clear bra, and it's getting all of the Spectrophoto Sync high heat rejection window tint. This is one of our favorites. This little 911 SC is just cherry looking. We did a full front clear bra on it, hand trimmed of course, like all of our clear bras, and we put these decals on it. The client supplied these decals, super cool. He's restoring this thing right now, or kind of a resto mod, souping it up a little bit, restoring it, doing some really cool stuff to it. We love it. We'll probably do a full photo shoot whenever it's done, but I want you guys to check out this shifter knob. This is really cool. It's skateboard decks that have been cut, glued together in a cool pattern, and then fashioned into a shifter ball. Also, I'll let you take a peek at the seats. Really rad seats too. We love this thing. All right, on to the Model Y. We've had a few of these in recently. This is getting full Spectrophoto Sync. It is also getting a full body paint correction and some, actually a lot of clear bra. This is our buddy Phoenix's truck. We're doing some graphics to it. It's gonna look rad. We'll give you more pictures of that once we get it cranking. And over here, Model 3, getting some chrome delete. And we've got a little RX 350 back there. They had an old school clear bra that we're helping remove. You know, typically really old school clear bra that was installed maybe by someone without a lot of experience. They didn't use very good film, and it looks pretty shabby. We help clients a lot of times take that stuff off of their cars. It's not uncommon because we're not scared to do the hard work. That's how we earned our reputation here at Speed Shield. So as always guys, feel free to swing by, check out any of the projects we're working on at any time. As you know, we believe that the proof is in the finished product. So come see it, Speed Shield. Have fun out there, stay protected.